Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 27th of December, 2023. The Indian benchmark indices hit fresh milestones, and also ended higher for the fourth straight session on December 27th, with Nifty finishing at 21,650, led by positive global cues and buying across the sectors, barring power and oil and gas. At close, the Sensex was up 701.63 points, or 0.98% at 72,038.43, and the Nifty was up 213.50 points, or 1% at 21,654.80. The biggest gainers on the Nifty included Hindalco Industries, ULTRATECH Cement, Bajaj Auto, JSW Steel and Tata Motors, while losers were ONGC, NTPC, Adani Enterprises, UPL and Adani Ports. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of LARSEN and TOUBRO climbed nearly 2% to hit a record high of 3,548.90 rupees on December 27 after the company bagged a major order for the Amarala project in the Red Sea region of Saudi Arabia. The order, under the engineering, procurement and construction type, is for establishing various systems related to renewable energy generation and utilities. LARSEN and TOUBRO classifies orders in the range of 5,000 rupees to 10,000 crore as major orders. Shares of ELECTRO India Limited posted 12% listing gains on NSE SME Emerge on December 27, after its public issue was subscribed over 4.3 times last week. The stock opened at 100 rupees a share against an issue price of 93 rupees. The Rs 80.68 crore public issue opened for subscription on December 19 and closed on December 21. The firm reported a revenue of 30.29 rupees crore in financial year 2023 against 34.44 rupees crore a year ago. Net profit for the year stood at 7.80 rupees crore against 8.64 rupees crore a year ago. Shares of KANSAI NEROLAC paints are a significant increase, rising by 9.2% and reaching a 52-week high of 355 rupees per share on December 27. The surge followed the company's approval of a plan for the monetization of idle land parcels that have not been utilized for productive purposes. So far this year, the stock of the paint manufacturer has surged more than 11% as against 17% rise in the benchmark Sensex. Earlier, KANSAI NEROLAC shares hit 52-week high of 354 rupees per share on August 3, 2023. Metals maker MAITHAN Alloys announced in a filing with the BSE that it intends to buy 10 lakh shares, or 0.202% stake, of the National Stock Exchange. The company disclosed its agreement to purchase these shares for 324 rupees crore, valuing each unit at 3,240 rupees. Share gained 7% on the 27th of December. MAITHAN Alloys Limited stated that the intended acquisition of shares through the secondary market will supplement the company's existing investment. This move aims to capitalize on both long-term and short-term investment opportunities, it said. Shares of ULTRATECH Cement gained 4% on December 27. The brokerage house upgraded ULTRATECH Cement, Dalmia Bharat, and Ramco Cement from a neutral to buy. Shares of ULTRATECH Cement jumped to a fresh 52-week high of 10,434.35 rupees, and gained over 4% with Macap crossing 3 rupees lakh crore first time, while Dalmia Bharat rose nearly 4% and Ramco Cement 3%. Shree Cement erased its morning gains and traded marginally lower around midday. Cement stock soared on December 27 following an upgrade by Nomura on anticipated robust growth in sales volume, improved pricing discipline, and advancement of valuations to financial year 2026. RV Encon Limited in daily time frame is trading around 164.40 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 392.306 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 144.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 68.44. Global Vectra Helicorp Limited in daily time frame is trading around 132.95 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.15 per million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 112.91, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.58. Zelpmoc Design and Tech Limited in daily time frame is trading around 119.45 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.346 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 102.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 75.05. For the stock recommendation we have, Bank of Baroda Limited looks good and can be bought at 232 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 225 rupees and a target of 239 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.